joined us recently, so we can take it from the top.
Okay, welcome. Welcome again. 62 North Sycamore Avenue. It's a 5-bedroom, 1.5 bath home offered at $189,000. Really well maintained and cared for by the owners. We're in the living room now. It's freshly painted, laminate hardwood floors. The owners put in a bay window. There's crown molding. Really nice open space.
The window air conditioning units are included. Here you get a good look at some of the crown molding and that bay window in front, which lets in so much natural light.
Yeah, and then
I like the open flow between the living room and the dining room. It's a nice open space for entertaining or.
Yep, great flow into the dining and then into the kitchen as well. Just flows all together.
Lots of windows throughout, natural light. Even that ceiling fixture in the dining room is a nice touch.
Yeah. There's a closet in there for storage or as a coat closet. A lot of the windows have been replaced by the owners, most of them. The slider that you see has been replaced, and this is, the owners renovated this kitchen themselves, ceramic flooring, granite countertops, wood cabinets, pendant lightings, and all stainless steel appliances.
It's nice that because this is a single home, you have windows on both sides. So you can see there's windows in the dining room, but then there's also a nice window here in the kitchen.
I should mention that door is to the basement. The basement houses the washer and dryer. There's also a little area, they're using it for storage, but it's set up sort of as a room. So you can make it an office, an exercise area, whatever you want it. We don't have pictures of that, but.
Is the basement finished?
No, it is not.
Unfinished. Good question, though.
Yeah.
Under cabinet lighting here, which makes a great workspace. You're really able to see what you're doing on the counter there with that under cabinet lighting. Really nice countertops, newer appliances.
Yeah, and all those are, the refrigerator, washer and dryer are included.
Awesome. Move-in condition.
This is the powder room on the main floor. It's to the right of the kitchen, to where the sliders were. You turn right, there's a mudroom area and an exit out. Now we're in the main bedroom on the second level. This room measures 17 by 12. It's a nice size room.
Again, it's nice that there's windows on more than one wall there because you're in a single.
And you can see the steps out to the hall up to the third level, which houses 2 more bedrooms.
And then this looks like a dressing mirror on the closet.
Yeah, there's a dressing mirror there and there's a closet. The owners replaced the carpeting on the steps up to the third floor and on the third level, as well as up the stairs from the first to the second level. And this bathroom they renovated, putting new vanity and cabinetry in, tile flooring, new toilet. It's a nice size bathroom.
Tub shower combination.
Tub shower. There's a cabinet there that they're leaving, for your towels and supplies. This is the bedroom next to the main bedroom, sort of the middle bedroom on the second floor. And that measures 16 by 9.
Good size, high ceilings.
Very high ceilings in this house. That's a good point.
Bedroom number 3 on the second floor. So 3 bedrooms on the second floor and that full bath also on the second floor.
And this room's 11 by 12 with a closet. And this is the third floor with 2 bedrooms.
So 2 more bedrooms on the third floor, making it 5 bedrooms altogether.
Do you know what the measurements of the bedroom on the third floors are?
The 1 bedroom at the back is, I might have these reversed, so you'll have to excuse me, but I think the one on the back is 14 by 8, and the one to the left is 12 by 10.
Thank you.
You're
Yep.
welcome.
Good questions.
They've both got these dormer windows. Again, new carpeting, freshly painted. There's a closet there in the back of the bed that they
Mhm.
just have a curtain there.
But good sized rooms for either home office or overflow guests or kids' bedrooms.
Yeah, it's a lot of space. And this is the backyard. When you go through the kitchen sliders, this is your view to the deck and the backyard. The deck's been recently stained.
And the
Yeah.
deck's good size. I mean, you could have all kinds of chairs. These guys are growing some herbs, looks like.
Mm-hmm.
You could have a grill out there.
They have a nice garden in the back and a koi pond. There's a shed for storage. It's a charming little yard, and it's all fenced in.
Yeah, that's really nice too.
Mm-hmm. The kids can play, or the dog can run around.
So it's really move-in condition, ready to go.
Yeah, it's in great condition. The roof's 2013.
Awesome.
Yeah, does anyone have questions?
So we've had some excellent questions so far, and if you have any others, you could always put them in the chat room if you want, or like some of us have done, just ask your question right out loud. Keep in mind, you could always reach out to us via email if you had additional questions or if you wanted to schedule a visit.
Yeah.
I know this may sound a little crazy, but the little pond they have in the back, is it fish in it or is it just a pond?
There's just, it's just a pond. There's no fish.
Okay.
So I guess we shouldn't call it a koi pond. It might just be a pond.
You put some goldfish in there.
You could put fish in. They just didn't. I think they just like hear the water.
Nice. And
Yeah.
again, we would just take another look at the location. If anyone's unfamiliar with where we are, it's 62 North Sycamore, right off of Springfield Road in Clifton Heights.
And if you travel down, if you go on the other side of Sycamore, it's Baltimore Pike, and it's a one-way street. So no one off Springfield Road's turning on Sycamore unless it's by accident.
Here's a good look at the house in the backyard. It's nice. And I was just going to zoom out a little bit. You're so close to the ball fields and the elementary schools nearby.
Yeah, really close to the regional rail station, shops, restaurants, anything you need. It's very nearby.
Westbrook Park Elementary is right down the street.
Mm-hmm. There's some good delis.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So again, if anyone has any questions, feel free to reach out, and we can just go back to the video, Gina, and let that play. And if anyone has any questions, they can feel
Yep.
free to
Sounds
give us
good.
a shout. Thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you everyone for coming.
Someone asked the question, I don't think you saw it in the chat room, is it gas or oil?
Oh, good
It's
question.
oil heat. Good question. Sorry if I thought I mentioned that, but it is oil heat. Window air conditioning.
Nice. So we do have some folks just joining us in the last few minutes. So welcome to 62 North Sycamore. We're just scrolling back through the photos. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. We're letting the video play here one last time before we wrap up. But welcome to those who have joined us recently, 62 North Sycamore in Clifton Heights.
Single home, it's being offered at 189. It's a 5-bedroom, 1.5 bath house. The half bath powder room's on the main floor. There's 3 bedrooms on the 2nd level and 2 on the 3rd. There's an unfinished basement, washer, dryer downstairs, and a bonus space also down there. The kitchen's been recently renovated. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. That door is to the basement that you're looking at now.
Good look there at the under cabinet lighting.
Mm-hmm.
So much great light in this house between the natural light coming through the windows and the lighting throughout, overhead lighting and under cabinet lighting.
Yeah, house has been very well maintained by the owners. Ceramic tile floor in here.
The very convenient powder room.
Yeah, the powder room's right there off the kitchen. There's also another exit to the side yard. This is the main bedroom. That measures 17 by 12. Nice size room, has a closet where there's a full-length mirror on the door.
Stairs to the 3rd floor, you can see there.
New carpeting up those steps and onto the 3rd level. New carpeting up the steps from the 1st to the 2nd level.
Newer renovated hall bath.
Yeah. New vanity, new toilet. It's a tub shower. This is the 2nd bedroom next to the main bedroom on the 2nd level.
Nice high ceilings on the 2nd floor also.
Yeah, this home was built in 1935. This is the 3rd level with the 2 bedrooms. Those 2 bedrooms are 14 by 8 and 12 by 10.
Again, natural light from the windows, dormer windows up there on the 3rd floor. Move-in condition. Plenty of space.
Yes, freshly painted.
Great backyard. Good sized deck, which has been recently refinished.
Nice garden area with a shed. There's some storage under the deck.
Fenced in rear yard. Keep an eye on your loved ones.
Little pond.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good deal. Well, we're wrapping it up and we've just about come to the end of our half-hour open house. Again, feel free to reach out directly with any questions or if you would like to schedule an appointment. Thank everyone for coming.
Thank you all for coming. Yeah, please schedule an appointment. It's a beautiful home.
62 North Sycamore in Clifton Heights. Thanks, Gina.
Thank you guys. Thanks, Mike. Bye,
Thank you.
everyone. Thanks
Bye.
for coming.